Lambros. We are on our way to Dallas, and we met our first police officer. So I know that he did not get me on radar. So, and it's not like higher patrol. Will you hold that for me?
Yeah.
So I don't know. Hold it down here. So, nope. Like that. There you go. Hi there.
Your driver's license insurance, please.
Yes, sir. I got my insurance on my phone.
Why are we driving like an idiot?
How was I driving?
100 miles an hour is an idiot.
Oh. Did you get me on radar?
No, I was right behind you the whole way. I've been following you since 151st Street when you blew past me.
Oh, you were going the other direction, exiting
I
there?
was sitting there at the off ramp.
Oh, I know. I saw you there. I see you. I didn't realize you were behind me.
Didn't care.
I just stepped on it a couple times.
Several times.
I didn't know.
A lot of ways.
Okay. I'm getting my insurance on my phone.
You drive stupid on a regular basis, so this is not the first time.
What's that?
You have a history of driving this way.
How do you know that?
Because you passed me one day when I was going my way to the DA's office. You and that other black one with the evil tag on it. You were right next to him. Y'all were racing.
Oh, you went. Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
You're correct. I was following him that time. I'm just showing you my insurance.
You're making me less and less a fan of yours.
I apologize, sir. I'll do better. Just pull my ID card up. Well, that's from a Lexus. Are you out here in Glenpool?
Yes, sir. Been here for 28 years.
Well, I definitely don't want to get on your bad side, that's for sure.
I think you're a little late.
Okay. I don't know why it won't show me.
Okay, fine.
Says ID. Yeah, I'll give you my ID card. Okay. So he apparently.
He was a fan.
I remember this because James and I were going down Highway 75, and we passed this guy doing like 100 and something, and he just waved at us. And then told us to slow down.
He's the car that you were like, what's up with the black unmarked car?
Yes, and he followed us the whole way, and I never saw him. I never looked at my rearview mirror.
That's crazy. He was keeping up.
So basically, what he said is, he targeted me. We were targeted by the police.
Imagine that.
And he said he had me going 100 miles an hour, but he never radared me, and so he would have had to follow me for a mile
or more.
And are we even in Glenpool?
I don't know where the hell we're at. No, I think we're a little south.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hold on, I'll check, because we're at 211th is our next cross street, we're at 206th. I don't know where Glenpool is.
Yeah, we went through 151st, that would have been Glenpool.
So he's been following for a minute.
Yeah, but he would have had to pace me, and we didn't drive at
the entire time.
Yeah, we weren't driving at. Remember, because you said the speed thing came on, and then we were like, so I don't know.
Well, I guess we'll find out here in a minute.
We'll see if he cuts me a break after I said I don't want to get on your bad side, and he said it's a little bit too late for that. So we'll be back.
Yeah.
Oh, insurance.
Okay, this is citation for reckless driving. Your signature here. When you're flying up behind people, you're passing them safely, cutting back over, and you're driving over.
Reckless driving.
You know, the speed limit, that's considered reckless. You're probably a really nice guy and everything.
Yeah, you are too. I'm sure. Yeah.
You're taking too many chances. Because you know what this is? It's a big target. Not for law enforcement, but for somebody that wants to make some money. Because if I was somebody that was nefarious and I saw you coming up behind me, I'd lock my brakes up. You'd run into me, and then you're going to pay me for a long time.
Okay. Because we lost a battery, I had to come get a battery out of the front, but we just had a nice convo with the Glenpool police, and this time was definitely a ticket. But the things that we have going for it, he's a nice guy. He's actually a detective, so I don't know why he's out here pulling people over, but I'm sure he'll be watching this. You're a nice dude. Sorry we had to meet under these circumstances. But he mentioned that just now, I don't know if you heard him, Clay.
What? No,
but he mentioned that he was on 75 when me and Evil flew past him, like hauling.
Oh yeah, I heard.
And he said he was on his way to Steve Kunzweiler's office, the DA, for a meeting. And he said when he got there, he was telling him about it, and he goes, "Well, if you want to swear an affidavit, we'll go get him right now." And he goes, "No, that's not necessary. I'll see him sometime." So he said, I thought maybe I'd see you at, you know, the grocery store or something like that, but not the grocery store, the side of the road. So
The side of the road.
but he wrote me for reckless driving. And did you know they spell reckless with an R? There's no W on there, people. So come on. The other thing too is like,
That
look at where
sucks.
we're at. Hold on, let me see this. We're at 211th Street. So they're turning around because we're almost into Okmulgee County. So we just hit Okmulgee County, and there were 2 cops there. And I'm wondering if, I don't know how this
I
works.
don't know if that is considered Glenpool or not. I mean, it would have to be, right? For him to write a ticket.
Yeah.
Unless he's just trying to get you and you're not going to fight it. So,
Yeah, I don't know.
guess we'll find out.
Maybe he,
We will
I
find
literally
out.
said to him, I don't know what picked up on the camera because my battery was dying, but I said to him, dude, come on. You telling me I can't give you like unlimited high fives and get out of this?
Or kids' rides.
Or can I give you kids rides? And he goes, no, there's no getting out of it, bro. I'm too old for that. I'm like, all right.
He's been looking for you for a year, dude.
Yeah, I'm like, well, we're going to court, bro.
You're fucked.
I'm fighting this. We're going to court. So we'll see what else happens. We're definitely, but I love you.